Mheshimiwa, chiki chanchile chiko taro mtandao uwaso ile broadbased.
Tina so broadbased. Ani broadbased tadi yongo yojo ine youths babo so. Nojenda. Iyo tokiare ngone. Aswan koragera na wandawane. Bagaje timatingo bageresi. Bagaisa to karagera. Wantu wabata mahanani itakuwa ni jamaa ni Senate, itakuwa ni jamaa na broadbased. Na endese kama na broadbased to kwana. Ngete ngo kwana na manyene party okorwa William Ruto so watu na chipati. Tani yebi murai ga ebi mulana bino amana bino. Ndiya kamera. Yonte nina botamu ngo kwana ngo mabwo busi. Awo mabwo busi e kauri yanete go change. Ende na bane party koruwa mara kwao yongo sanza ne party ne bwata organize tuagamba
is as follows: ayes 38 votes, nays 4 votes, abstention 0. So the ayes have it. Now, honorable senators, I have a communication to make regarding the effect of the vote on the motion on the preliminary objection. Now, honorable senators, the motion having been approved, the hearing on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor of Nyamira County, is hereby terminated. Further, as you will recall, the Senate at the sitting held on Tuesday, 2nd December 2025, resolved to alter its hours of meeting on Wednesday, 3rd December 2025 and Thursday 4th December 25 in order to investigate the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Governor of Nyamira County. In these exceptional circumstances and pursuant to Standing Order 1, I direct the clerk to circulate a further supplementary order paper containing a procedural motion on the hours of sitting for tomorrow, Thursday 4th December 2025. Now, honorable senators, you will note that you passed a motion here that you were to sit for 2 days. That's Wednesday, today, and tomorrow. You were to sit tomorrow from 9 until the conclusion of business. Having passed this motion,